The first question would be, I am not qualified. I don't have that knowledge in Sanskrit, I don't have knowledge in our scriptures. Therefore, this is something, or rather I am away from these things. That would be the first reaction if we contact people. What do our Shastras say about that? Our Shastras say that first thing is you are qualified. So why any person is qualified? Because the person is capable of perception, discrimination, reflection and effort. These are the four qualities that are there in every human being. Whether we use those capabilities or not is another matter, but we have all these qualities. And the second thing, most important thing which we have is the buddhi. Mind and buddhi, both are. Manas and buddhi, both of them are there. They are very powerful instruments. How we use those instruments is another matter, but we have those two powerful instruments with us. So this everybody would agree. If you talk to them, if you say that you have a mind, you have an intellect, then they would agree. And we have to use those instruments, both these instruments, mind and intellect, for our own benefit. When you realize that you are the Brahman, you have unlimited capabilities, then the inferiority complex which is there in us, that would not be there. So we can overcome that inferiority complex and other inadequacies. There are a lot of inadequacies in us. So all those could be overcome by understanding this. So first the scriptural knowledge would be necessary. Through the scriptural knowledge, we can gradually realize this truth, and through understanding this truth, we can overcome all our inadequacies in our day-to-day life, in our performances, in the actions, everywhere. And our world view would be most objective and pure. Now usually our world view is how we look at the world, how we look at the life, how we look at everything is subjective. But once we understand this reality, then our subjectivity would be lessened, and we would be more objectively, we would be evaluating things, we would be understanding things. And that would be a purer understanding of this world.